Babylon thinks the pressure go break, man. But they never know the roots grow deeper in the star. Them build wall for try box in the mind, but truth moves silent like river through time. Man rise from dust, no gold, no crown. Still we never bend, still we never bow down. Life get rough like cobblestone road. Too much weight pon the youth, them load. Them system cold, them promised in, but we still find light where the darkness been. Mama say pick yourself up, don't you stray. Jah guide we feet every night, every day. From concrete jungle to Zion flame, we chant one voice, we calling his name. Babylon can't hold we down, no way. We roots too deep, we not fade away. Fire in our heart and we spirit stay strong. We been through hell but we still sing song. Babylon can't hold we down, hear that sound. Truth like thunder shake the battleground. Chains them broke when the righteous pray. I rise every single day. Them teach division, color and fear, but we see unity crystal clear. One love now just slogan pan wall. It's survival when the night time calls. Street get dark but we still see light. Wisdom come through struggle and fight. Every scar tells story of pain, but every storm brings sunshine again. Them want silence, but we can load. Voice of the people rising through crowd. No politician can sell we soul. We keep it pure like pure rock stone gold. Babylon try, but we not fall. Jah voice inside we call. Echo deep through concrete and steel. Tell them system nothing we feel. Babylon child, we don't know it. We roots too deep, we not fade away. Fire in our heart and we spirit stay strong. We been through hell but we still sing song. Babylon can't hold we down, hear that sound. Truth like thunder shake the battleground. Chains them broke when the righteous pray. I rise every single day. So we walk on, we roots in our heart and fire in our bone. Babylon can't hold we. Never could, never will.